Alright, so we are looking to find the measure of angle JGK. So when we're dealing with circles, sometimes a lot of things are going on. I like to highlight what I'm looking for and what I have. So I'm looking for angle JGK. So this is the angle that I'm looking for in question. This angle is a central angle. So the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So if I take my angle and I highlight it, I can follow along and find its intercepted arc. So arc KJ is the intercepted arc of angle JGK. If I knew the measure of the arc, I would know the measure of the angle, but I don't. So I've got to look around the circle and see what else I know. I do know that the measure of arc HI is 70 degrees, and there's an angle that's associated with arc HI, so I can highlight that angle, so I can fill in information. So this arc is 70 degrees. This angle, which is the central angle, is also 70 degrees. Well, these are vertical angles. If you look, I have a diameter. So KI is a diameter. This is also a diameter. So line segment HJ is a diameter. Diameters cut this circle exactly in half. So diameter, diameter, what we have here are vertical angles. So if this angle IGH is 70 degrees, then its vertical angle JGK is 70 degrees. So my answer to the problem is 70 degrees. But I want to point out that I can find out more information based on this. So if I look at my diameter, these two arcs have to add up to 180 degrees. If I have 70, this is the rest of it, the supplement. So this will be 110 degrees, which means that this angle will be 110 degrees. We have a linear pair. These two are going to form, or this forms a diameter, so these two arcs are going to add up to 180 degrees. I got the 170, my arc, sorry, 110, my arc is 70. And then I can do the same thing here, or even here, but these are also vertical angles, 110. So there may be some problems where you have to use information to find additional information. I like to call that working the circle, to find the missing arcs or angles that I'm looking for to help me solve the problem. You will need to identify diameters in your homework tonight to find the missing angles. Another quick review. I know that you've done this before, but circumference is 2 pi times the radius. Please leave the symbol pi. You do not need to multiply by 3.14. And the area is pi r squared. Again, leave the pi symbol in there. And these are the length of the radius in a circle. All right, have a good weekend.